Have you ever wondered what your dog would say if they could talk? They don't just ask for treats. They have a lot to share about their needs and preferences. In this video, we'll explore the important things your dog wishes you knew, helping you understand and improve their life. If you truly love your four-legged friend, don't miss this information. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with useful content about the world of dogs. Ever wonder why your dog yawns so much? Don't just assume he's sleepy. According to a recent study, yawning in dogs can be a sign of stress or even empathy for you. Science has shown that when dogs see their owners yawn, they tend to yawn too. So next time you see your dog yawn, try to see if you're stressed. Next, let's talk about lip licking. Many people think that dogs only lick their lips when they see delicious food, but in fact, lip licking can also be a sign of anxiety or insecurity. Researchers believe that when dogs feel stressed, they produce more saliva, and lip licking is a way for them to soothe themselves. If you see your dog licking his lips constantly without food around, pay attention to his feelings. And don't be too quick to assume that your dog is happy just because he's wagging his tail. Science has shown that tail wagging doesn't always mean happiness. Depending on the speed, position, and direction of the wagging, it can express a variety of emotions, from joy to stress, or even fear. Take a closer look at your dog's body language, including posture, facial expressions, and barks, to get a better sense of how he's feeling. Another important thing to note is that any change in your dog's behavior can be a sign of illness. If you notice that your dog suddenly becomes lazy to eat, less active, or avoids you, take him to the vet for a health check. Early detection of health problems will help you treat them promptly and prolong the life of your four-legged friend. Don't be subjective, and always pay attention to the smallest changes in your dog's behavior. A delicate but extremely important issue is your dog's breath. Bad breath is not only unpleasant for you, but it can also be a sign of underlying health problems, especially dental disease. Bacteria that build up in your dog's mouth can cause gingivitis, tooth decay, and even more serious conditions like heart disease. Brush your dog's teeth regularly and take him for regular dental checkups to ensure the best oral health. Continuing the health topic, have you ever seen your dog licking or dragging his butt on the floor? Don't be too quick to laugh. This could be a sign that your dog's anal glands are having problems. The anal glands are located on either side of the anus and contain a fluid with a characteristic odor. When the dog goes to the bathroom, this fluid is secreted to mark its territory. However, sometimes the anal glands can become blocked or infected, causing discomfort for the dog. If you see your dog doing this, take him to the vet for timely examination and treatment. Another common problem that many dog owners face is accidents in the house. Dogs cannot hold their potty for long, especially puppies. If you work all day, and there is no one to let your dog out, it is inevitable that he will do his business in the house. Do not scold or punish your dog, as this is not their fault. Instead, try to schedule more frequent potty breaks, or hire a dog walker if you are too busy. And when it comes to dog training, one of the most common mistakes people make is scolding their dog after they have done something wrong. Dogs do not remember past mistakes. Unless you catch your dog in the act, scolding will only confuse and frighten them. Instead, focus on positive training, rewarding them when they do something right, and ignoring them when they do something wrong. Another important thing that many people often overlook is sudden changes in their dog's diet. Dogs have very sensitive digestive systems. Sudden changes in food can cause digestive upset, leading to diarrhea, vomiting, and discomfort. If you want to change your dog's food, do it gradually, mixing the new and old food in increasing proportions over a few days to give your dog time to adjust. Remember that dogs can become anxious if you act too attached or anxious when you leave. Dogs can sense your emotions and will think that something is wrong. Instead of giving a long hug and goodbye, act calm and confident when you leave. This will help your dog feel more secure and less anxious when you are away. Dogs can become depressed if left alone for too long. Dogs are social animals that need interaction and connection. Research shows that a lack of social interaction can lead to changes in a dog's brain that can cause symptoms similar to depression in humans. Spend time playing, petting, and talking to your dog to keep their spirits up. If you're too busy, consider asking a family member, friend, or professional dog sitter to help you care for your dog. Dogs don't like loud noises, like thunder or sudden noises. Dogs have a much more sensitive hearing than humans, so sounds that we consider normal can be unpleasant or even frightening to them. Scientists believe that this fear response is a survival instinct that helps them stay away from potential dangers. When loud noises occur, provide your dog with a safe haven and try to calm them by gently petting them and speaking in a soothing tone. Dogs have only one owner, while humans have many other relationships. To a dog, you are their whole world. Research on dog-human bonding shows that both dogs and humans have increased levels of the hormone oxytocin, the love hormone, when they look at each other, similar to the bond between a mother and her child. Cherish this special bond and spend quality time with your dog, even when you are busy. Dogs do not tolerate heat as well as humans, and need water and shade when outdoors. Dogs do not have sweat glands in their skin like we do, so they can only cool themselves by panting. This makes them susceptible to heat stroke, especially on hot summer days. Experts recommend always making sure your dog has plenty of water and shade when outdoors and avoiding strenuous exercise during the hottest part of the day. Dogs do not see red and green clearly, so choose blue and yellow toys. Dog vision is different from humans. They have a more limited ability to see colors, mainly blue and yellow tones. Scientific studies on dog vision have shown that they have 2 types of cone cells in their eyes, compared to 3 types in humans, which affects their ability to distinguish colors. When choosing toys for your dog, prioritize these colors so that they are easier for them to recognize and play with. Be consistent with your rules, not one size fits all. Your behavior can confuse your dog. Research in behavioral psychology shows that animals, including dogs, learn best when there is consistency in rules and feedback. Constantly changing the rules will confuse your dog about what is acceptable and what is not, leading to stress and difficulty in training. Dogs don't understand language, only their owner's tone and emotions. Dogs rely heavily on body language and tone of voice to understand your intentions. Neuroscientists have shown that the dog brain is capable of processing the tone and emotion in human speech, similar to the way humans process language. So pay attention to how you talk to your dog and use a gentle, positive tone to communicate effectively. Positive reward training is more effective than yelling. This method relies on rewarding desired behaviors and ignoring unwanted behaviors. Animal training studies have shown that positive rewards reinforce good behavior and create positive associations between dogs and humans. On the other hand, yelling can cause fear and stress, negatively affecting the learning process and the relationship between you and your dog. Dogs love to explore new places, so vary your walking routine to avoid boredom. The instinct to explore is a natural part of a dog's personality. Walking the same places every day can make them feel bored and unstimulated. Changing your walking routine will give your dog new experiences, help stimulate their mind and release energy. Dogs don't like to be petted on the head, so pet them on the neck, shoulders, or under the chin. While we often show affection by petting dogs on the head, this can make them feel uncomfortable or even threatened. Animal behavior experts say that head pats can be interpreted by dogs as a sign of dominance. Instead, pet them gently in areas they like the neck, shoulders, or under the chin. Spending time playing with your dog instead of your phone helps strengthen the bond. The bond between you and your dog is not only emotional, but also has positive effects on both of your health. Scientific studies have shown that interacting with dogs can reduce levels of the hormone cortisol, stress hormone, and increase levels of the hormone oxytocin, love hormone, in both humans and dogs. Put your phone away and spend quality time playing, training, and cuddling with your dog. Dogs can sense human stress, and their owners' stress levels affect their own psychology. Dogs are very good at reading human emotions based on nonverbal cues such as facial expressions, tone of voice, and body language. Scientists have found that dogs' cortisol levels can increase when their owners are stressed. Try to control your stress and create a peaceful environment for your dog. Sniffing during walks is important. It helps dogs relax and stimulate their brains. For dogs, smelling is a form of communication and exploration of the world around them. Dogs have a specialized area of the brain that processes information about smells, and smelling helps them gather information about their environment, other animals, and even the moods of people around them. Don't rush to pull your dog away while they're sniffing. Give them time to explore and relax. Using a chest harness instead of a collar helps protect your dog's neck and spine. Collars can put pressure on a dog's windpipe and cervical spine, especially when they pull on the leash or are jerked. A chest harness distributes the pressure more evenly across the dog's body, helping to protect the neck and spine. Veterinarians often recommend chest harnesses, especially for small breeds or dogs with respiratory problems. Dogs love their owners unconditionally, no matter what. A dog's love for its owner is one of the most wonderful things in the world. They do not judge, do not blame, and always forgive your mistakes. Cherish this unconditional love and respond with the best love, care, and attention. Are you surprised by the things your dog wants to say? Understanding them will not only help you become a better owner, but also give your pet a happier life. If you find this video useful, please like and share so that more dog lovers can know about it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.